Yo guys, welcome back to Crypto Mastering. My name is Payman, and tonight, on this video we are going through the first part of first season basic information, which is the progress of money creation. And we want to know how people in the old ages actually use money, or even if there is any money that time or not until now, which is the cryptocurrencies. But before we continue, please like if you like the video, subscribe, make comments, and also hit the notification bell for the next videos. Let's talk about why we actually wanted to know about this market. Why crypto? Why not other markets? Well, first of all, it's about the future. We all know how some coins actually gain profits to some people. They actually had more than 10,000% profits from this market. And it's the new and kind of young markets because there is less people actually know and have experience about this market. Around, I can say about 10 to 20% of people actually know perfectly about this, and around 80 to 90% of people, they doesn't have enough knowledge. They don't actually dare to come and invest on this market. And the amount of people who know about this market is actually the same as people who know about internet around 20 to 30 years ago. So it has lots of potential and good future, I guess. So let's go. But before we continue, actually, I would like to set some rules. First, please listen carefully, even if you know some points that you know before. Listen again, maybe there is something in it that you didn't know before. If you come in to learn this market, please make it one of your priority. I know lots of you maybe have some other works to do, have some education, but this could be very good for you as a part-time job. You can gain money in dollar especially, so please pay attention.
Okay.
Don't rush. Don't go and open position immediately in the market. You should have enough knowledge in that. You should know about how to put targets and a stop loss. Okay? Okay. And don't compare yourself with other people. When you hear, for example, someone invests, I don't know, $10 million on, for example, a shitcoin, don't go and buy it. Or even when you see someone makes a position in futures market, that I will talk about it in the place and in the time, don't go and follow that person. It's really dangerous. This market, as I said, maybe it has lots of potential, but it could make lots of actually damage to you and your assets. And take notes. Thank you. So many years ago, actually in the ancient history, people actually, there was no any cash, there was no any coin actually. So how did people actually provide their stuffs, their goods? How do they provide their needs? Well, you all actually studied history, so you know in the old history that people actually swap their goods together. For example, I have, like this picture, I have fish, you have meat, we can swap together. That's called barter. But it has lots of disadvantages, like maybe you don't need my fish, I don't need your meat, for example, so it's hard to actually swap our things, and maybe there was no any stuff that we wanted that time. In the old Greek actually, and parts of Turkey, which was also included Greek, uh, they tried to mint coin actually. They tried to montage some coins made of gold or silver, and it's called STATER. So people started to buy stuff with these coins. So after that, the age of paper money, which was dollar, actually came in the United States in the events named Bretton Woods. The United States and other countries decided to actually created a paper money named dollar. They decided to actually store some gold for each dollar that is printed. So for any amount of dollar that's actually published in the society or distributed in the society, a certain amount of gold actually is stored in the treasury of the government. That's become so powerful, and other countries also use this currency, the dollar. But after that, the Federal Reserve, as you all know about it, notice is a little bit actually hard to store gold in the treasury and bursary for printing dollars. So the president of that time, it was actually 1971, Mr. Nixon was the president of United States, decided to not store gold anymore, and they start to printing paper money irregularly and limitless. The power of dollar actually reduced in that moment. So what will happen after that? The other country actually started to create their own currency. They're not always dollar anymore. They wanted to be independent, so they started to print money so much. And what will happen if you print money without any support? It causes inflation. And what happens if the inflation increase? It will cause the economical damages. After the paper cash, or I mean the paper money, we have our credit card, our debit card, which is also already used until this moment. And there are lots of other company which is gives some services like I don't know, Visa, MasterCard, credit card, America Express, I don't know, Revolut. I said PayPal, yes, and lots of other things. So these are have some disadvantages, like it's centralized. I will talk about centralized and decentralized and time in the future, actually in the right place of that, which means there is actually a firm, a company that is have whole control of your all your assets and your money, so you have no authority on your money. And also there is a limitation, you can't send any amount of money that you want. And there is also low security, because one person or a group of person actually have a lot of control of all the money that are actually stored in their bank, in their station, their company, in their firm. So maybe someone wanted to grab some of them, so that's why embezzlement actually happens. So yes, that's the cons actually. And also high wages and low speed. If you want to send money to another country, you have to actually pay lots of money just for wages and just for transferring, and it may take weeks or months for that. So in 2008, an anonymous person or a group of people actually named Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as a definition, we can say it's a kind of payment which is decentralized. There is no any people or a group of people who have authority on that, and is limitless actually. So you can send any amount of money that you want to another country in less than maybe 1 hour, and with so less wages. So it could be a good choice. And because of that, oh shit, my battery is run out of battery, my laptop. Oh, sorry. So where were we? Yeah, Bitcoin. So because of that, blockchain actually invented the distributed ledger technology, and also hash graph invented because of that, which is on the next videos we will talk about them. So don't forget to hit the bell when I wanted to teach you about the hash graph and blockchain. On the next video you will notice immediately. Peace.